Hello, in this video we see the different changes happening in the economy. So an economy is in an ideal situation when AD is equal to AS, that is aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply, corresponding to the full utilization of all the resources available. But in real life, we find AD keeps fluctuating. When AD fluctuates, aggregate demand fluctuates, there are changes brought in income, output, employment, and price. These changes are cyclical in nature and they follow a cycle of 4 different stages like boom, recession, recovery. Boom, recession, depression, and recovery. This is what you see in this diagram. Boom, recession, depression, and recovery. So first stage we'll see. The first stage is boom. So you find the curve goes up. After reaching the peak, you find it goes down. So at the stage of boom, you find all economic activities expand, more job opportunities, people have more purchasing power, the income is more. So everything grows, investment grows, production grows, employment grows, income grows, consumption power goes up. So this is what you find in the stage of boom. Then there is a tendency after reaching the peak of boom, there will be a slackening. So what happens at that time, you find economic activities shrink. So it goes down. So you find there will be a slackness. So economic activities become less and there will be decline in job opportunities. Then income becomes less. So that stage is called recession. If that stage is not controlled, it will lead to the other stage, depression. So we have already seen the fiscal and monetary policy of government. So fiscal policies like reduction or increase in taxes, then government expenditure, then you find deficit financing, that is increasing money supply or decreasing money supply. So according to the needs, you find these policies are, the fiscal policy brings out the changes. There will be change in public borrowing, though there will be the income will be increased, so purchasing power will be increased, production will be increased. So the fiscal policy taken by the government to promote all this to control the period of recession, otherwise it will lead to the stage of depression. Depression is also known as gloom or slump phase of an economy. So during the stage of depression, we find all economic activities sink to the lowest position. So we have already learnt in history the depression, 1929-30, the Great Depression, which affected US and other countries. So especially this after First World War, we find many the money has been spent and US lent money to other countries and for the war purpose. So due to many reasons, the economy was affected in US. So the economic activities shrunk and you find the income level became very low, production was stopped, unemployment increased. So in history, that Great Depression 1929 it throws light upon this subject, how the economy is affected, then how to recover from the depression. So again, the government takes measures like fiscal policy and monetary policy to come out of this depression period, because during depression period there will be unemployment. So naturally the money supply will be, the income level will be less. So the government alters the policy and it promotes investment, it promotes public spending, and job opportunities will be created, and the demand for goods will be increased. So aggregate demand has to be increased. So all these measures will be taken and it will reach the recovery position. Slowly the economic activities will expand during the stage of recovery. Then slowly there will be development, and economic development will grow, will take place, and it will again reach the stage of boom. So boom, recession, depression, recovery are the 4 stages. Every economy, every country comes across. So during these stages, a government should handle it very carefully and alter the measures, take the fiscal policy and monetary policy according to situation, and promote the economy.